Raw beauty and nature are just a glimpse of where we are going to explore. This sanctuary is more than just a place to go. It's a place where your life will be changed forever. We are about to unlock the doors to Tulum.
Hola,
Hola.
welcome to Casa Bautista. I'd like
Thank
to
you.
meet you. He's Tony, the maintenance guy, Esmeralda, our
Hi.
housekeeping lady. Please, a refreshing towel.
Thank you so much.
And our famous welcome drink, that it's a mezcal. You take your mezcal, then you take a piece of orange, you put a little bit of salt
Yep.
here, then you take the shot, bite the orange, and take one of these. They are delicious, right?
That's really good. What is that?
Crickets. Come in, please.
All right, let's go see the house.
It'll be a pleasure to give you a small tour of the house. Please come in. Take out your sandals.
I'm noticing Tulum is a barefoot place.
Yes, we are a relaxing people here.
What do you think makes the home so unique?
Casa Bautista is very special. The right side, we have the main room. You can open all the rooms so you can feel the ocean breeze and the lights, the natural light of the jungle. We have a mini pool here, and we have a big pool over there on the roof. We have all the concierge service. We have the spa service, we have the chef service, sound healing, yoga classes, also mariachis. Yes, the chef is cooking right now with a special cochinita, ceviche, some chiles rellenos of cheese with mole. Typical Mexican food.
Tell me about Casa Bautista.
First of all, let me tell you about Rentas Tulum. Rentas Tulum, it's a vacational rentals property manager concierge company founded in 2014. We won 3 prizes at the Best Homes Awards, and we are very proud to host this house like Casa Bautista.
Speaking of like award-winning homes, this house won a lot of awards.
Yes. Casa Bautista in 2019 have the best retreat, and recently the Holiday Home Awards too.
What are some of the other things that you think make this property so unique?
All the profits of Casa Bautista go to a community in Oaxaca called Pueblo del Sol. It's a sustainable project that works with and for nature.
Wow, that does make it very different.
Yes,
I want to go upstairs. I want to go see the big pool upstairs. We have to go check that out.
please. And the view.
Oh, the
You will
view?
fall in love.
It's really easy to fall in love in Tulum, though. I mean, it's beautiful.
Amazing, right?
Yeah. Tell me a little bit about the design.
The design was made by Productora. Here in the rooftop, we have this amazing pool,
What's that over there?
a bathroom with shower and toilet, but it's open. You are taking a shower and you see all this amazing view.
At the end of the day, I mean, you are here to experience this. I mean, this is magical. I'm going to go explore. Thank you so much for having me.
You're welcome, bye.